Identity number 2. A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Change the side. A square minus 2AB plus B square is equal to A minus B whole square. A square plus B square is equal to A minus B whole square plus 2AB. Now put A is equal to x, B is equal to 1 upon x. Therefore, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to x minus 1 upon x का whole square plus 2.